Welcome on Cosmetology channel. Today is the day when we are going to unbox all June beauty boxes, and we will have a goodie box. We will have beauty box from Look Fantastic. Woo! And we will have glossy box. And I will just show you my last buy. I was in a dollar store in Ljusdal. This is kind of north of Sweden, and I bought from Sense Beauty. This is Korean brand. This is vegan Korean brand. I bought two face sheet masks. One is with zebra and one is with giraffe. So expect that on Instagram in one of the beauty videos. Yeah, let's get started with beauty boxes. That was bad. Okay, let's start with the goodie box. Some. It smells so nice. We have Eco Brush from Anvend. The shape of the brush gently adapts to the shape of your head, providing a relaxing massage. Wow, really nice. I like the color. It's not so aggressive pink. Yeah, it looks good. I have very bad hair to brush, but I have to say it's working well. I think it will be one of my favorites. Now I have a Tangle Teaser brush from Fox. That is also a very good brush, by the way. Yeah, then we have Carmondeyu Sun and Body Lotion Protection with SPF 15, natural moisturizing and broad spectrum sun protection based on physical UV filters. It has organic aloe vera, shea butter, jojoba and almond oils plus vitamin E, and this is also an organic product, so really nice. It's protection from UVA and UVB. Then we have something that smells really nice. I kissed it by accident. Never mind. It's Kissed Valquer Solid Shampoo. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Definitely I have to try it. I never tried shampoo in something like this. I will give you my recommendation later on. But it smells like some flowers and grass. Oh, really nice smell. Organic oils, grapeseed and aloe vera. I was close. Grapeseed, flowers, aloe vera, grass. Somewhere there we have landed. And then we have Sunstone Scandinavian Mascara. Raincoat waterproof, 100% waterproof lashes in black color, and it's allergy certificated and vegan product. I don't know this brand, but I will get to know it. Really cool stuff. And normally a lot of waterproof mascaras have a lot of preservatives and a lot of chemicals in it, so it's really nice to see that this is allergy certified and also vegan product. The product is 100% biodegradable, and also the paper comes from responsible sources and it's approved by FSC. And then we have 100% natural face oil from Rosse Otto Balance Me. I think this company was in some previous box, if I recall correctly. I think it doesn't have any smell. Oh no, it does, sorry. Okay, it's like lemongrass. It smells like some Thai oil. When you are in Thailand and you have massage or you... it's just amazing. It's not so oily. I think it dries really well, really fast, and gives this moisturizing texture. I will read about it if it's for night or if it's for day. Maybe it works well under makeup. Now I have NARS foundation on me, and it's really cakey and it's really heavy. It's full coverage foundation, and I have quite dry skin, so I feel like this oil could work well in the combination with some serum. Let's see. And also the product is vegan. that's all. So we have a brush, lotion, mascara, shampoo and facial oil. I think the box is really rich. Those are very interesting products. Okay. And then we have beauty box from Look Fantastic. It came like this. It was not packed in the box, it was packed in the cosmetic bag. So first product, it's a cosmetic bag with the logo of Look Fantastic on the bottom here. And we can also see that in the front line we have Tangle Teaser from Glove. Okay, second brush test. Yeah, it's really good. Both are really good. They're totally different. They're going smoothly through the hair, and also I can have proper grip on it. Sometimes those Tangle Teasers are just so slippery that I am brushing my hair and you know, my hand is going backwards and my brush is going to the basically bottom of the bathtub. So that's, I think, well combined, kind of matte finish on the other side hairbrush. Okay, and what we have more? I think maybe those companies talk to each other. We have very high protection fluid solar UVA UVB 50 filter. Actually, it's not written anywhere, but let's say it's for face. And then we have the color locking multitasking hair mask, but I can see that the ingredients list is very long, and also we have cetyl alcohol, PPG, benzoyl ethyl myristate. We have some silicones on the front line. We have some fruit extracts, but they are quite on the bottom and in the middle of the list, and the list is crazy long. Super long, and they are not all the things that are good for the hair. Also, perfumes are very high, just after silicones. Maybe for some travel, but I have much better products than this mask in my beauty shelf. Then we have Molten Brown London Cypress Sea Fennel Bath and Shower Gel. Oh, it smells like Davidoff cool water. Beautiful smell. It's very intensive. Yeah, the list also is so-so. We have a lot of salts. I think it smells really nice, but it will definitely more dry your skin than moisturize it. So it depends what you're looking for. If you want to have nice smell, yeah, okay. But apart from that, there is nothing really interesting here. And then we have Aroma Blend Moisturized Mask. Esthetician blend from Shank Pre Spa Care System. Okay, and here we have good stuff. We have nice oils in the front. We have panthenol, we have flower oil, we have bergamot oil. Allantoin is third. Really a lot of good extracts, lavender, and contamination of those ingredients is also very high because they are in the top of the list. Very nice product. I will also do some maybe Instagram beauty video with that. Let's see how does it look like, and it feels like there is so much serum in it, so I'll just kind of splash it all over my neck as well and face after the mask. So let's see. That was all from the box. I think Goodie Box was much better, and I think better decision on cosmetics, on brands. But of course, it depends what you like. I'm focused on natural skincare, as you can see from the title. So I would be very much appreciating from those boxes a lot of natural, organic, vegan ingredients and products. And now, the glossy box. Okay. Ooh, we have a lot of things here. We have 7 things here. First we have Leapers Hypoallergic Intimate Wipes, 12 pieces. Then we have Biore Deep Cleansing Charcoal Pore Strips. It's so warm that I will use the product actually from last glossy box or some other box. It was Balance Me. I think it was, you also had Balance Me. Yeah, it was in the Goodie Box. So I believe this product was also in last Goodie Box. This hyaluronic plumping mist is just so... much better. Yes. Back to the studio. We have lip and cheek jam, 78 water-based and 99% natural. I think it's kind of like a liqueur for lips. Let's try it. I have some lipstick on my lips, but let's try to... It's definitely moisturizing. It feels so good on my lips right now. It's perfect combination of this mist, I have to say. So this was the one. The cleansing strips were second. The tissues were third. So we have 4 products to go. And then we have aloe vera gel. I think it's very good for sunburn during the summer, but I will not get sunburn because I have Look Fantastic box and Goodie box that will protect my skin and body. And for smooth legs, we have 3-blade shaver from Bike for sensitive skin, less irritation, yada yada yada. Yeah, simple product. Then we have Winterberry 045 lip crayon. Oh, that's very strong red. This is this Bordeaux deep red that my mom likes, so I will think about this color and I'll try it on my lips without this lipstick to check if this is something for me, and if not, Mom, this one is going to you. And the last but not least, Bank Beauty. This is eyeliner in black. I like the package. That was it. They're not, they're not big products, but there are plenty of them. Write in the comment which box do you think is the best. I would really appreciate it. And if you like the video, give me a thumb up. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumb down. And thank you very much for watching. If you want, you can subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost a thing, and you will be up to date with natural skincare. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.